In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import leads in Salesforce Lightning from a CSV file. We'll be diving into each step to ensure you have a smooth experience importing data. So grab your CSV file and let's get started. First things first, you'll need to log into Salesforce. This step is pretty standard, but if you're new to Salesforce or have any trouble, double check your credentials and ensure that you're in Salesforce Lightning. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right of the screen where you'll see the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to many powerful tools within Salesforce. Click on it to access the Setup menu. From there, use the search bar to type in Data Import Wizard. This handy tool is going to be central to our task today. With the Data Import Wizard now up, you'll see an option that says Import My Data. Give that a click and then hit Start. This is essentially the kickoff point for the import process and ensures you're on the right track. Now, it's time to specify what type of data you're importing. You'll want to choose leads as the object. This tells Salesforce that the information you're bringing in corresponds to potential clients or customers that you're tracking. Next, you'll select the option that states I have a CSV file before clicking Next. It's important to ensure your CSV file is formatted correctly before proceeding, as this will make the entire process much smoother. Now comes the crucial step of uploading your CSV file. You'll do this by simply clicking the Upload button and selecting your file from your device. Once it's uploaded, hit Next. Make sure your CSV contains all the necessary data fields aligned correctly to avoid any hiccups later on. The next part is a bit technical, as you'll need to map the fields between your CSV and Salesforce fields. Mapping fields is essentially connecting your CSV data to the corresponding fields in Salesforce. Take your time with this step to ensure data like names, contact information, and any other details are correctly aligned. This step is vital to ensuring your data imports accurately and efficiently. Once you've double-checked that everything is in order, go ahead and click Import. Salesforce will take it from here, processing your data and importing your leads into the system. Depending on the size of your file and data, this might take a bit of time, but you can rest assured knowing that your data is in good hands. And there you have it, a simple yet comprehensive process for importing leads into Salesforce from a CSV file. By following these steps, you ensure that your sales team has the most up-to-date information at their fingertips. Thank you for joining, and I hope this guide has made your Salesforce experience a bit easier. See you in the next video.